What's up guys, Dirk here. Happy Monday. So the weekly candle just closed and I want to give you a quick update on the weekly chart to see what that reveals. So as you can see, Bitcoin here is trading at 29,400 and we got a red candle here for the week. So you can see it's kind of been making this kind of like rolling over here a few weeks. It's kind of been moving lower. Now, yesterday I did make a video that we got the 3-day golden cross, which we did, which is a long-term bullish signal. But in the shorter term, we could still see a bit of a pullback. I've been saying that for the last couple of videos too. As long as the price stays above the 200-week moving average, the red here, which is about 27.2, the trend is fine and it is bullish. And in fact, it might actually be a good thing if we do retest that 200-week moving average, then bounce off it and continue higher. So that means in the shorter term, we could potentially see a bit of a drop, maybe $1,000 to $2,000 still to the downside without it jeopardizing the bullish trend. Okay, only once we start getting new consecutive closes below that 27.2, then things potentially start looking bad for the bulls. And obviously if we get that, I will update. But until we get that, I follow the system if then. So as long as we stay above it, if we stay above it, then the trend is bullish and we are looking for continuation after this pullback is complete. So you can also see here on this candle, obviously there's a big gap here and it might just be trying to fill this gap. So you can see it. This was a big weekly candle. It might just come back down in the same way it did it here, right? We had this big candle and then it kind of pulled back down and then we had another one. So we might be seeing the same thing in play here. We had this big candle, it's trying to fill it down. Maybe it tests this 200-week moving average around 27.2 and then we can continue higher. Keep in mind, we also have the monthly close, which is set to close after today. So tomorrow I will do an update on the first, obviously, with the monthly candle close and see what that reveals. And I think it's going to depend a little bit how the price action is going to unfold today on the last day. Is it going to kind of hang around? Are we going to get a decent sized drop or not? Because interesting development you can see here, literally about 20-30 minutes ago, this came out on Twitter now, where allegedly the SEC has ordered Coinbase Exchange to halt all crypto trading aside from Bitcoin. So again, that might be a bit of FUD here that is going on, whether it's FUD or not, or whether it's a serious thing. Obviously, we're going to end up seeing. Maybe by the time you watch this video, there will be further developments on that. But like I always say, the charts come first and they show the direction and the news kind of pushes us in that direction afterwards. So you can see here from this chart already, like I said, it is possible that we test that 27,000. So maybe this SEC FUD creates a bit of fear and people will say, okay, this is going to cause the sell-off. Maybe we drop to in the 27,000s. But as long as that moving average holds, as long as we don't drop and close below it on the weekly and on the 3-day charts, then that's perfectly okay because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a bit of that pullback and then a continuation of the trend. Hopefully that's going to be the case. So that was a quick video update for you on the weekly chart. Make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and tune in tomorrow for the monthly close. I'll make a bit of a longer video there and I'll cover Ethereum and maybe the total market cap and some other charts too on the monthly for the longer term outlook there.